Good morning, this is Paul, and I'm excited to finally get my hands on these Candy Hearts. These are red specialty grapes created by International Fruit Genetics. Hopefully you've seen us try cotton candy and moondrop grapes. We've done some episodes on those in the past, and those grapes were also created by the same company, IFG. Now, Candy Hearts are a second cousin to cotton candy grapes, which are green. So believe it or not, these red grapes are related to cotton candy grapes, which just surprises me. Now, the first plots were planted back in 2014, and these hit the market in 2017. Now, there's much more of a supply this year, so you could probably get your hands on them, 2021. Wow. That is a good grape. It's sweet with some acidity to it. This could be my favorite grape of all time. Wow. I did not detect any hint of seeds, although I can see a little bit on the left one there. See it? So they are, for the most part, very seedless, which is my favorite thing about grapes like this. And they're a good size. Color is a nice kind of balanced, lighter shade of red, I would call it. I think the only drawback is just a few of them. I'm getting a little bit of a seed where you could taste the seed being developed. Maybe these are overripe. But that's the only drawback. Yep. That's the only drawback I could think of for this grape, is that this happens in about 50% of them so far. I describe this with a wild cherry candy flavor. I guess I could go with that. Let's give it a BRIX meter score. Let's see how sweet these are. Get a nice big one. Oh, cut a few more just to see. Yeah, there's another one. But no matter, it can't be perfect. Okay, it's at 0. What a delicious grape. I really, really enjoy these. Let's see how BRIX scores. Give it a squeeze, get some juice in there. $19. That means that 19% of this grape is sugar. Wow. That's a great score. It explains why it's got that nice balance of sweetness and acidity. All right, I'm gonna eat the rest of those Candy Hearts grapes, I should say. Amazing grape. Give it a shot. Give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.